So, dear friends, as you people are studying morphology of flowering plants, this is the last part what we are studying in this unit. Already, you people studied regarding the flowers in last class. So, the flower, they are the unisexuality, bisexuality, everything you studied. In case of flower, in bisexual flower, pollination is taking place, and after that, the pollen tube is produced. The pollen tube enters through the stigma, it enters into the style, then it goes to the ovary. And in ovary, it reaches to the embryo. There, in an embryo sac, the different kinds of cells you people are observing. There are 3 antipodal cells, then one central cell with 2 nuclei, then 2 synergids, 1 egg apparatus. So like this, the 7 cells but 8 nucleated embryo sac you people are observing. And here the pollen tube from the style, it is entering into the ovary. It comes to the embryo. There the filiform apparatus, finger-like projection is present, and it helps to enter pollen tube into the embryo. And in the embryo, the 2 male gametes are released. One male gamete is coming to the egg apparatus, and there it is fusing with the egg apparatus. And this is called first fertilization. Remember, one male gamete is fusing with egg apparatus or egg cell. The union of nuclei is taking place, and that process you are calling it as first fertilization. Then the second male nucleus, it is moving to the central cell. Central cell already it is containing 2 nuclei, and there one male nuclei is entering in the central cell, and these 3 nuclei, including previous 2 and 1 male gamete, they are combining together, and there the second fertilization is taking place. So we are calling it as a double fertilization system. So in this way, the double fertilization you people are observing. And later, ovary. The ovary, the outermost layer of the ovary is forming epicarp of the fruit. Then inside, ovules are producing seeds, and ovary is converted into a fruit there. Okay, so in this way, the fruit formation you people are observing. If suppose the fruit is produced directly from the ovary, then it is called as the true fruit. That is the true fruit. If suppose other than the ovary, the fruit is produced, then you are calling it as a false fruit. True fruit and false fruit. True fruit is formed from the ovary, and false fruit is forming other than the ovary, for example, the thalamus. Thalamus is converted into fruit. Take an example of an apple. So, apple is a fruit you people are calling, but it is a false fruit. There, the thalamus is converted into a fruit. Take another example of strawberry. strawberry is also a false fruit. So in this way, the true fruit as well as false fruit you people are observing. Now inside, the seeds which are produced, here the monocot seeds and dicot seeds are different. Monocot seeds, the name itself is indicating single cotyledon is present. Okay, so you are calling it as a monocot seed. Usually, in the family Gramineae or grass family, all seeds, for example, cereals can take. All cereals, they are the monocots because they are having only one cotyledon. And dicots, if you are taking, there two cotyledons are present. Okay, here, best example I will give you, that is the groundnut. The groundnut pea, if you are just pressing it, it will break into two equal halves, two pieces. Those are two cotyledons. So in this way, monocots and dicot seeds you people are observing. And here, sometimes what happens, some of the fruits, they are not at all containing seeds. Seedless fruits, what you people are calling. And we are calling such type of fruits as the parthenocarpic fruits. Parthenocarpic fruits, that seeds are not at all produced. So, in this way, the parthenocarpic fruits also can see. Now here, the seeds when you are studying, the different plants, they are producing different kinds of seeds. The viability of the seed also differs. And here it may be from few days to few years, the viability extends. So, depending on the plant, depending on the environment, the viability remains. Now here, we are studying regarding the fruits and seeds and their questions here. We will go through one by one. We will see some questions here. Now we will go to the first slide. The first slide is showing seeds of the orchids are. You people are knowing orchids are the epiphytic plants. And orchid business is going on like anything in the nature. So many persons they are involved in it. The orchids, they are attracted because of the shape and size of the plant and also because of the flowers what it is producing. The flowers are also rarely produced here. So, some of the orchids, they are medicinally important also. So, these all orchid plants are usually epiphytic plants. Epiphytic plants in the sense, the plants which are growing on the other plant. And here, in last class we discussed regarding venda. Two types of roots it was produced. One is clinging, another one is hanging. So in this way, the different orchids you people are observing. Here, the seeds of the orchids are, we'll go through the option, then we'll continue. Here, large and heavy seeds are not at all seen in the orchid plants. Light and dry, the seeds are neither light nor dry. Then minute and sticky, it is also not possible here. So, whatever the things are given, none of these is the correct answer for this question. So, option D is the right answer here. We'll move to the next slide. Now, in coconut, black covering, that is the thin layer, adherent to the kernel around the endosperm is. Now see, any fruit you can take, the outermost cover you are calling it as an epicarp and middle one you are calling it as a the mesocarp, and inside one we are calling it as an endocarp. Usually endocarp used to be stony. So here in case of this, whatever the options they are given, we'll go through. Now what is our question here? The coconut black covering, inside the coconut, the black covering whatever is present, which is added to the kernel. Okay, this kernel what you people are eating. Okay, there the black colored coat you people are observing. What it is called they are asking here. Now A option is the mesocarp, B is endocarp, C is seed coat, D is none of this. So here the black colored coat is nothing but a seed coat. The endocarp what people are observing, the kernel what you are calling, okay, that is nothing but a seed there. And that is covered with the black coat, and that is nothing but a seed coat there. So option C, seed coat, is the right answer to this question. We'll move to the next. The megasporangium of the angiosperms on maturation gives rise to the megasporangium. It is nothing but the ovule what I said earlier. The ovule if we are taking, when a proper ovule if we see, it is having outer and inner integuments. Inner to the inner integument is a nucellar sacs, and at the center there is a gametophyte. And or you may say it as an endosperm. So at the upper side, the integuments, they are not completely attached. They are making one of the small gap. You are calling it as a micropipe, through which the water is entering inside. Okay, so we'll see the options here of fruit, seed, and embryo. D is the cotyledons. Here, the megasporangium of the angiosperms on maturation gives rise to seeds. Okay, so here ovule is converted into seed. So as a result, the megasporangium is converted into seed. So the option B, seed, is the right answer. We'll go to the next question. After fertilization, the seed coats of seed develop from the seed coat from where it is developing. Okay. Now here, usually the seed coat is developed by the integuments which are present. Okay. Now see the options. Option A, integuments. B, embryo sac. C, chalaza, that is the end. D is the ovule. Now here, the two integuments which are found around the ovule, they get converted into a seed coat. So option A is the correct answer to this question. We'll move to the next question. Now, tegmen develops from, tegmen it is called, from where it is developing. See the options: outer integument, inner integument, then chalaza, that is the chalaza end, or funicle. First of all, the seed coat is developing from outer integument and inner integument, so people are knowing. The chalaza, micropylar end and chalaza end, two ends you people are observing in the ovule. And the funicle is a part by which the ovule is attached to the placenta. Okay, so here the correct answer is the tegmen develops from the inner integument. So inner integument, option B, is the correct answer here. So we'll move to the next slide. Now, micropyle in a seed helps in the entry arm. So I told you, the integuments what they are formed at the top, okay, at the micropylar end, they are not joining, okay, they are keeping a gap, and that entire gap is forming a micropylar pole, and that remains open. And so as a result, when conditions are favorable, when water is coming in contact with this micropyle, okay, micropyle allows that water to enter inside the ovule. In the sense, it is allowing to enter inside the seed. So as a result, the water is rushing inside. Now we will go through the options. First option is pollen tube, B, water, C, male gamete, D, none of these. So, out of these four options, the right answer is option B, that is water. In the sense, the micropyle allows water to enter inside. Because of that only, the seed becomes swollen, and then the other further growth takes place and seed gets converted into a plant. So, the right answer is option B, that is water. We'll move to the next question. In the cereals, the cotyledons is. The cereals, the cotyledon is. Now here, chlorhiza, pericarp, scutellum, none of these. Cereals are usually monocots, as earlier I told. It is having a single cotyledon. So, the scutellum is the right answer. Here, option C, scutellum is the right answer. Then we will go to the next slide. Here, non-essential for seed germination is, which is not required for seed germination. First, light, water, air and temperature. For seed germination, what is required? You people are knowing the basic thing is the water. And then the moderate temperature. And apart from that, the good air. So these are the basic things. Light is not at all required for the seed germination. And in your home you may be seen your mother, she is soaking seeds and keeping for spurting. And here the sprouts are produced. But she is keeping it in a dark, not in a light. So here light is not at all required for the seed germination. So the option A, light, is the correct answer here. So we will go to the next slide. The two families dominate in having maximum useful plants. The two families. Okay, so here useful plants they are asking. The plants are plenty. Very useful, you have to find it out. Answers are very close to each other. Okay, so Fabaceae and Poaceae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, Malvaceae, Brassicaceae, then Liliaceae and Poaceae. So the correct option is option A, Fabaceae and Poaceae. We'll move to the next slide. The systematic position of Cucurbitaceae according to Bentham and Hooker system. Bentham and Hooker system of classification you people are knowing. Okay, the classifying systems are given by Bentham and Hooker. So here the options you see, Thalamiflory, then Parietals, Inferi, Asterales, Calciflory, Roselles, Calciflory, Passiflorets. So here the correct answer is option D, that is Calciflory and Passiflorets. So here the right answer is D. We'll move to the next question. Touch me not plant. Touch me not plant belongs to Liliaceae, Solanaceae, Mimosaidae, then Malvaceae. So touch me not plant, it is a mimosa plant, Mimosa pudica, what you people call it, and family is Mimosaceae. Okay, and here it is belonging to the option C, Mimosaidae. Mimosaidae is the right answer to touch me not plant. So we'll go to the next question. Which of the following families is characterized by the presence of perianth? Okay, presence of perianth. Now see, Malvaceae, Liliaceae, Cruciferae, Solanaceae. Out of this, the right answer is option B, Liliaceae. So the correct answer is Liliaceae. We'll move to the next. Dalbergia belongs to Dalbergia siso, sesame plant, you people are knowing. Okay, it is belonging to Liliaceae, Malvaceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae. So Dalbergia siso, this is a plant, sesame plant. It is belonging to option C, Leguminosae. So option C is the right answer here. Next, Indian telegraph plant, that is Desmodium gyrans, belongs to, okay, in which family this telegraphic plant is belonging? Malvaceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. Can anybody tell me? So here the right answer is Leguminosae. Option B is the right answer. We'll move to the next. Which of the following is phylogenetically most advanced of the dicotyledonous families? Now here, Acanthaceae, Stropulariaceae, Compositae, Umbelliferae. So here the right answer is option C, that is Compositae. Next is the androecium of Malvaceae is Androecium anther. You are knowing androecium of the family Malvaceae is didynamous, tetradynamous, diadalphous, then monodalphous. So the correct answer is option D, that is monodalphous. So the option D is the right answer. The next one, Rutaceae differs from Malvaceae in having. What they are having? How they are different? Just see. Simple leaves, polypetalous corolla, syncarpous superior ovary, obdiplastomanous stamens. So, obdiplastomanous stamens, D option is the right. Correct answer is D. So, for this, you choose the D as a right answer. We will go to the next. Here, Rutaceae differs from Malvaceae, the same. Next one. Okay. Here we are ending morphology of flowering plants. So in coming class, we will start with genetics. So as we studied morphology, only few questions we solved here. And in earlier clips also I told you people, the time is very restricted. In restricted time, we are covering the maximum questions. And what is my view is, I am giving some detailed ideas to you people. And earlier also I told you, here teachers, we are only the guide to you people. How to solve questions, we are showing it to you in the demo part. You people have to study thoroughly whichever is the topic. Each and every point you should know, then only it is possible for you to solve the questions, because whatever options they are giving, they are closely related with each other. So thorough knowledge is essential. Okay, you better go for hard work, then definitely success will be there for you. Okay, success is always waiting for you. Only it will come to the hard workers. Remember this. Thank you. Thank you. We'll end it. Thank you.